Most people think of industrial sewing machines as these massive, intimidating beasts that belong in a factory, not on a craft table. But then you run into something like this Juki. It is a bit of a surprise how they managed to shrink that heavy-duty reputation down into a machine that actually fits in a home studio without feeling like a toy. When you first set it up, you notice the weight. It is built with a solid aluminum frame, and you can feel that density when you move it around. It stays put while you are working, which is exactly what you want when you are pushing fabric through at high speeds. Now, the threading process on sergers is usually the part that makes people want to pull their hair out. It is notoriously fiddly. This one tries to solve that with an automatic lower looper threader. It is a clever little addition that saves you from having to use tweezers and a flashlight to get the thread exactly where it needs to go. It is not magic, and you still need a steady hand, but it definitely cuts down on the frustration factor significantly. The lay-in tension system is another smart touch. Instead of having to weave thread through complex discs, you just drop it into the slots. It is intuitive, and honestly, it makes switching thread colors feel like less of a chore. What really matters, though, is how it handles the fabric. The differential feed is smooth, and it gives you that control you need when you are working with stretchy knits or thin, slippery materials. You can adjust it to keep things from bunching up or stretching out, which is a lifesaver for anyone who has ever ruined a project because the fabric decided to ripple. The knife is calibrated and adjustable, so you can get that clean edge exactly where you want it. If you're doing a rolled hem, you do not have to swap out a bunch of plates or needles. It is built right in. You just flip a switch, and you are ready to go. If there is a downside, it is that this machine is strictly business. It does not have a lot of the flashy digital screens or automated sensors you might find on high-end computerized machines. It is a mechanical workhorse. Some might find the noise level a bit punchy, too. It has a distinct, rhythmic clatter that reminds you it is built for power rather than whisper-quiet operation. It is not deafening, but you will definitely know it is running. Also, while the footprint is compact, it is still a dedicated piece of equipment. You are not going to be tucking this away in a tiny drawer when you are done. It needs its own space. But for someone who is tired of machines that feel flimsy or struggle to get through multiple layers of denim, this feels like a massive step up. It is not trying to be everything to everyone. It is just trying to be a reliable, sturdy serger that does the job without making you fight it every step of the way. If you are looking for something that feels like it will last for years and handle whatever project you throw at it, this is a solid contender that really earns its place on the desk. It is straightforward, it is tough, and it gets the job done.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.